Madison, Virginia. This is a very simple metal building that's 69 feet by 172 feet, about 12,000 square feet. It's got 24-foot eave height and 1 in 12 roof. It has R panels, siding, and roofing. It's about as simple a metal building as you can build. It's a lumber shed that's enclosed with overhead door openings, but no overhead doors. Now, part of the problem with pre-engineered steel buildings is condensation on the underside of the metal roof. And even if you have an open building like this in the summer, when you get a lot of humidity, the condensation will happen on the warm side of the metal. And to solve that, what we've done here is put what's called a 5-foil. It looks like double bubble wrap, like you might get something that comes from Amazon wrapped up in a box. It's the same type of material, only it comes in 6-foot wide rolls. It's very inexpensive. We can put that on the underside. It solves the condensation problem. Some manufacturers now make a metal roofing that has a coating on the underside that prevents that, about the same price. But anyway, you can see it's simple metal building, provides plenty of space for racks. We put translucent panels in the roof for natural lighting. Personally, I don't like them because they don't last as long as the metal roofing. And there's different expansion between the fiberglass and the metal. So eventually the caulking and mastic that seals those will break down before the other sealants in the roof. I'm Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. We design and build these pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call us about your next project.